So I will explain to you the attachment of the pocket, single pocket, because the front of the pocket will serve the front of the pan will serve as the front of the pocket. So when attaching this one to the back, this single pocket, you don't need to, I will not attach the front. Okay, I make sure they are far away like that. So you can attach the one that has no hole, or the hole of the pocket, and then you avoid that front pan, just like that. So continue stitching the back, right? Okay. I don't have temporary stitch at this time. So you have to avoid the front fabric of the pan, because you cannot open the pocket. Isn't it? I'm supposed to stitch this with temporary with hand, but I'm seeing. Go. I'm attaching the single pocket on the back. Move away the front pan. Okay. It's noisy again, this machine. You see that? I'm almost done. And then continue at the top, so it will be steady, firm. Clean up the thread. So this is the beautiful. So you see, because I move away the front, it was not gotten by the needle, right? So this is the front pan. So this one is not included, right? So only I stitch the back. I attach the pocket, fabric of the pocket, to the back only. So this one is already beautiful, right? And then the front is just stitched like that. So at the front it's beautiful. So I need some zigzag yet here. So the 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 front the front pan will serve as the front pocket. Okay, just stitch on the corner, so your hands will have pocket that. The next video. Okay, thank you.